cabinet, get the product bin out of the way. All you need to do is remove these 2 screws from the sanitation fitting. Pull some slack, a little bit of slack, so you can get to the John Guest. There's a stem on each side of the sanitation fitting. Remove them. Sometimes you may need a little screwdriver to get in there to push on the release for the John Guest fitting. Take a flat blade screwdriver, you can push down. Don't pry too much, you just want to kind of wiggle it down. Or if it's easier, you can just remove it from the line. Just be careful so the line does not trail all the way back up and inside. The duckbills are on both ends. You have 3 screws on either end that house the duckbill. If you move all 3 screws, lift the piece off. Oops. And this is the duckbill that's inside. Now, new duckbills will be clear, like a clear silicone looking to them, not opaque white like this. If you have opaque white duckbills, do not use them. You'll need to get the newer silicone ones. So you want to replace the duckbill with the silicone, not the white opaque duckbill. These will only go in one way. You can't force them in the other way. They'll only slide in on the large opening on the outside. And just put the screws back into place. Don't over tighten them, just get them snug. And you'll do that on both sides. To go ahead and connect the lines, Again, don't over tighten, just get it snug. And put the bag back into place.